Now let's set up a web scraping tool to pull information from the website provided in the contact form. We'll use a tool called Browse AI. Sign up for a free Browse AI account using the link on screen or in the description below. After onboarding, you'll land on the Build New Robot page. Instead of building from scratch, go to browse.ai/prebuilt-robots and search for HTML. Select the robot called Extract HTML Code and capture a screenshot from any web page, and click Set Up Now. Enter a properly formatted URL for testing. Any website will do. Then click Next Step and Finish. Browse AI will run a test and show you the results. Back in Make, for the URL not formatted correctly path, add a Browse AI Run a Task module. Create a connection to your Browse AI account. For the robot, toggle Map off. Then select your robot from the dropdown. For the web page URL, select the website or social media link from the tally input. Click Save. Let's test the automation. Click the dropdown next to Run Once, select the most recent successful run, and click Run Once. If your URL is formatted like mine, you'll likely get an error here, and that's intentional. Click the red icon to see the logs. The error says Invalid URL. Browse AI won't accept the input unless the URL is properly formatted with HTTP or HTTPS at the beginning. This is why we're setting up filters and multiple paths. To fix this, open the Browse AI module and click into the web page URL field. Move your cursor to the left of the website/social media link variable and type http:// before it. Now, if a URL comes in without the prefix, our automation adds it automatically. Click Save and run the test again. This time it should succeed, and Browse AI will generate an output bundle. Browse AI tasks can take a minute to complete, so we need to log some information to connect this scenario with our next one. On the right of Browse AI, add a Google Sheets Update a Row module. Select your spreadsheet and sheet. For row number, select the row number from the Google Sheets input. Under your Browse AI Task ID column, select Task ID from the Browse AI inputs. Click Save. Now let's set up the URL formatted correctly path. Click the empty module on that path and add Browse AI Run a Task just like before. This time, for the web page URL, simply select the website or social media link. You don't need to add the HTTP prefix, since this path only runs when the URL is already formatted correctly. To save time, copy the Google Sheets module from the other path. Hold Shift on your keyboard and click the module. Then press Command-C on a Mac or Control-C on Windows. Click in a blank space and paste it with Command-V or Control-V. Drag it next to the Browse AI module to connect it. Open the module, scroll to the Task ID field, delete the old reference, and select Task ID from this path's Browse AI module. Click Save. Use the magic wand icon at the bottom to auto-align everything. Then save your automation. Now let's set up another scenario to handle the finished Browse AI task. In Make, open a new tab, go to Scenarios, and click Create Scenario. Search for Browse AI and select Watch Task Execution Finished. Create a webhook, select your robot, choose Task Finished Successfully, and click Save. To get test data, run the first scenario we made to start a Browse AI task. Then run the new scenario to catch the finished task. In the new scenario, after you've got your Browse AI data, add a Google Sheets Search Row module. Select your spreadsheet and sheet. For the filter, click the first dropdown and select your Browse AI Task ID column. Leave the operator set to equals. Click in the value field below and select the task ID from the Browse AI inputs. Click Save and test by running with previous scenario data. You should see all the information from the matching row appear in the Google Sheets output bundle.